Well, Nilight sent me a soft cover for my truck, and I want to install it. I took the quad fold, not hard cover, but hard soft cover off. It's kind of a pain to unroll it. I mean, to open it and close it. Sometimes walk back and forth, unlock this, unlock that. Good cover though, don't get me wrong, by Yida Motors, but I wanted to try a soft cover from Nilight. So here we go. We're gonna open it and put it on. The first thing that I want to compliment on is, man, they got this packaged very nicely. Very nicely. So let's get this cover installed.
Can we say 12 hours later? Looks nice. Very nice. I like how much flatter it is to the bed, and how flat it stays, and how it tucks itself down nice and tight to the tailgate. This was probably the easiest bed cover I've ever installed. I really like this. It's a very, very, very easy install, and I did not follow their instructions. What I did was I did my own instructions, and here's why I did that. I've done a lot of these, and the manufacturer's instructions are okay, but I never really like the way that they lay them out completely. I don't care who it is. I'll tell you the easy way to do it, and then you can figure out how you want to do it yourself. That right there was tucked up. That's the release lock for the ends of this. Right here, where they snap in. What I do is I put my left channel in and my right channel in, and then I take this and I get it set up there. And when I get it set up there, there's two little grooves that need to fit inside this channel. You see the divider right here where the foam, the two difference in the foam pieces? There's a little tongue right here that's got to fit in this channel on both sides. Once I get that pushed in and I get this kind of rolled down to where I want it, I leave these bed sides loose and I figure out exactly what I want to do. Once I figure out how far down I want these, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and pull this down, get this locked in. So this corner's locked in, that corner's locked in, both those corners are locked in with the tongue grooves, and I'll figure out, do I want down more, do I want up more, do I want side to side more? And once I figure that out and I get it set where I want it, then I'll roll this back, and I've got these clamps right here. And then there's a threaded bottom, a U that goes up underneath and grabs the pinch weld in here, and it just sits inside that channel. I'll go ahead and get this set and tighten down exactly. It's almost exactly 4 full turns, and I was fully tight. So then I went from here, kept rolling this thing. I left the Velcro on when I found the position that I wanted, because I didn't want it to lose tension on the whole entire thing until I started clamping these down one at a time. And I go here, keep rolling, keep rolling, keep rolling until I get to the middle of my wheel well, where my next clamp is. And these clamps are floating. You can move them up and down as much as you need to. Keep rolling after you get that tight. Get up here. Bam. My last clamp there and there. And I can come up here, buckle this in. Right there, there's a buckle on both sides, and you can see the buckle hanging right there. I'll undo it. Just roll it. It goes back exactly where it needs to, and these bars right here that go across it fit right inside this channel. And then when you get to the end right here, get that groove slapped in over there. This one's slapped in over here. Pull down on it. Snaps in. This side over here snapped in. And there you go. There's your cover. It don't get no better than that, folks. That's the easiest, cleanest cover look that I've seen. It don't get no better than that. I'm gonna have a link down below for you guys so you guys can check out this. I really like Nilight stuff, so especially this cover. This cover is really nice. And their visors ended up turning out great. Down below I'm gonna have a product link for you guys so you can check it out. Hope you have a great day. Be blessed. And it's just that easy.